Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's lesson is SAP MM Consignment Stock Procurement. This is one type of the special procurement. Before going to session, like and share my videos. If you have any doubt query, feel free to comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Today agenda is what is consignment process, purchase info record for consignment, purchase order for consignment, goods receipt for consignment stock, goods issue from consignment stock, stock transfer from consignment to own stock, settlement for withdrawn quantity. So what is consignment process? Consignment process is the vendor provides the material and stock them on the company premises. The vendor remains the legal owner of the material until company withdrawn the material from the consignment stock. Let's see practically. This is step will follow for the first step was purchase info record. For creation of purchase info record, T code is ME11. So, I will take material 2888. I will select the vendor. Purchase organization plan. The purchase info category should be in the consignment. I will mention the supplier reminder days, delivery days, you can standard quantity for order 100, price is standard unit price I mentioned is 500. Purchase info record for created with consignment. Next is for purchase order ME21N for creation of purchase order. So which vendor will give their same vendor mentioned here. Purchase organization, company code, material, you can let the material, plan we will give storage location, the currencies, system will processing, purchasing group. You mentioned item category is a mandatory for item category K. K means consignment. Once you enter the K, insert it. System will processing. P1 created. The picture receipt. goods received, purchase order, the purchase order, before make GRN is check the stock for the respective material. T code of MMBE. There is no stock in system. So I will embed the make GRN for 100 quantity. System will processing. Now GRN was done. Now you can go to check the stock. So the 100 number come to vendor consignment. So the third step is completed. The fourth step is goods issue from the vendor consignment. The D code is MB1A. Movement type is 201. You mention from the consignment, it should be mentioned as a special stock as a K. K means consignment. The 201K consumption for cost center from consignment stores. Storage location, cost center, select the vendor, mention the part number. If you want to see the vendor, which vendor the consignment stock available, you go to MMBU, click the vendor consignment. It will show which vendor the stock available. The vendor number is, supplier name is ABC vendor. So system will throw error, account determination for entry, CON account not possible. So you go to create the CON create the CON account for that. Go to create new session 00. This is come under finance control. CON account, create a CON account. That CON account should be assigned to account assignment category. T code of OBYC. Go to CON account, charter account, click the valuation class, save. Our valuation class is 3000 for raw material. Our account is 4004. This is for Kumar Enterprises company. You select the Kumar Enterprises and the customize pop off, give OK, then save. Okay, enter. then withdraw from the consignment stock. You go to here, maybe stock overview. You see the consignment stock is reduced from 100 to 80. So now the fourth step also goods issue done. Then stock transfer from consignment to own stock. This also go to MIGO transfer posting. The movement type is 411. The special stock is K. K means consignment. Mention the material. The plant is W01. The name of the vendor. ABC vendor. Quantity I will give 50 kg the quantity. This also that stock are transferred from consignment stock to own stock. We'll check the stock now. Maybe here this own stock transferred now 50 stock. The remaining vendor consignment stock is 30. So this is from the stock transfers. Now we the final step of the settlement for the vendor. The T code for settlement MRKO. The company code, we mention the vendor and here we select the only consignment, enable the consignment only, then you give the settle execute. It will show these are the settlement happen for the vendor after the goods are consumed. You go to MB51 for the movement of the materials. Today it happened. They receive GRN and goods received quantity is 100. Then we do the cost entry issue goods issue for 20 quantity. Then we do the consignment stock to own stock for 50 quantity. So these are the movements of the material. So this is the overall consignment process. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like and share my video. If you have any doubt or query, feel free to comment. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you. We'll see you next session.